Welcome to the bakery.
Did I leave y'all in the kitchen again? Oh shit. And we back in the kitchen. We got on our Herd Chef apron, you know, with our Herd Chef t-shirt. Look out for that. But today we're gonna whip up some good shit. We got some salmon, some salt, cilantro, got some limes going on. Where's the lime at? Put something together for y'all real quick. Go ahead and wash my hands. How y'all feeling? How's your mental health going? I'm feeling pretty good today myself. I want to say shout outs to O'Neill Yes for the. We got to whip up some cilantro lime salmon with some jasmine rice and green beans. I got some, y'all know how I do in the kitchen. I got some special additives that I'm gonna put on there. Not not those additives. It's actually for this show, but another segment. But we're gonna get back to that. Okay? Can't go wrong with some Florida farm raised salmon. So first, I had to inspect my salmon and see what that looked like. You know, I'll preheat that up. Next, we're gonna go ahead and cut up some cilantro. We got our limes, got some cilantro. Of course, being from Baltimore, take some. Oh, babe, we're gonna season. People, period. It's not even black. Seasoning equals high blood pressure. You OD on the seasoning, you get high blood pressure. Just saying, have it taste right and good. We're gonna do a little bit of jam right there. So we're gonna take 1/2. And I'm using a little bit of vegetable oil, not too much, just a little. Now while I open up the plastic, dirt, pesticides, especially field vegetables. Bob James makes me feel like I'm dancing like Mary J in the kitchen and shit. Add it. And while that's happening, let's check on our salmon. Salmon came out, you know, how's she looking? Greenies. How greenies looking? Smelling like dinner time in here to me. Can never be mad at that. Can never be mad. Hot damn. Hot damn. And just that easily, it's just gonna melt right on top. Ooh. There we have salmon, cilantro lime salmon with drizzle, some truffle honey drizzle. Chef kiss. Huzzah, huzzin, y'all have watched me do my thing. Subscribe, like, share. Make sure y'all shout outs again to O'Neill Yes, Herd Chef.
Welcome to the bakery.